Right, good morning, year ones. So, just like in school, we will be doing phonics every single day, okay? And instead of being in the classroom and doing phonics, you're going to do it at home, okay? So, it's going to be exactly how we do it in school, but instead of being able to see me, you'll just be able to hear me. Okay, but this PowerPoint is exactly the same as how we would do it in school. So you'll be able to do this, I think, on your own. So for our phonics lesson, normally we need a whiteboard and pen, don't we? But you might not have one of those at home. So all I need you to find is I need you to find a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper. Okay, and then once you've got one of those, you are ready to start our phonics lesson. Right, so just like before, these are our phonics sounds that you learnt in reception. Now these are our tricky words that you learnt in reception. Let's read them together to just recap and refresh our brains. Now you can't see my mouse, but we'll start from the top. So let's read them together. I want you to join in at home, okay? No, to, I, the, go, into. Right, let's move on to these tricky words. He, she, we, me. And me is spelt with a E. Well done. Be, you, all, are. And the last ones, her, was, they, my. My is spelt with a Y. Well done. So me with an E and my with a Y. Right, let's recap our phonics sounds. So I would like you to say what you see. J, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Qu, Sh, Ch, V, Ng, A, E, I, O, R, oo, and this can also be oo, oo, or, ear, air, your, a, and our new sound today is ow. Okay, so is it a digraph or a trigraph? Is it 2 letters that make one sound or is it 3 letters that make one sound? Let me hear you say what it is. It's 2 letters that make one sound. Well done. So it is a digraph. And it's spelt with the letters O-U. O. And it's ow. Can you say that for me? Ow, 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 ow. And can you do the action if you remember? Ow, 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 ow. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to write some words together, okay? Just like how we do it in the classroom, okay, year ones? It's exactly the same. So I will say a word, then I want you to say it, sound it out, and write it, okay? So, the first word, in fact, I want you to write the sound ow on your piece of paper. Okay, so write O-U, O on your piece of paper because that will help you to remember our new sound today. Now, when we're writing these words, I will try and go give you a little break to write them. But if you do need a little more time to write them, that's absolutely fine. But you might want to pause the video, okay? To give you a little bit of extra time to write the word. And that doesn't matter. Right, so the first word I would like you to write is cloud. Okay, can you say the word cloud? Cloud. Let's sound it out. K-l-o-u-d. Cloud. Right, write the word cloud for me. If you need to sound it out again, you can. That's absolutely fine. And once you've written that word, I'd like to put your hands on your head. Right, and if it looks like my word, give yourself a tick. Cloud. K-l-o-u-d. Cloud. Right, the next word I would like you to write is loud. Let's sound it out. L-o-u-d. Loud. So say the word loud. Sound it out. L-o-u-d. Loud. Write it. And when you've done, I want you to put your hands on your shoulders. Right, and if it looks like mine, give yourself a tick. Well done, year ones. Very, very proud of you on our first phonics lesson from home. Right, the next word I would like you to write is shout. Shout. So say it. Shout. Sound it out. Sh. Out. Shout. Write it for me. And once you've done, I want you to put your hands on your hips. Right. And there is shout. Let's read it together. Sh, out, shout. And if it looks like that, give yourself a tick. You can give yourself another tick if your h and your t are tall letters. Right, the next word I would like you to write, you might have had these for your Christmas dinner this year. It is sprout. So say it, sprout. Let's sound it out. Sprout. Sprout. Now, who can remember what three letters make the trigraph spr? Spr. Can you remember? Have a little think. Well done. It's spr. So can you write sprout for me? And once you've written sprout, I would like you to put your hands on your elbows. Well done. And there it is, the word sprout. If it looks like mine, give yourself a tick. Right, the last word I would like you to write, year ones, is sound. So say it, sound. Sound it out. S-ow-n-d. Sound. And I'd like you to write it. once you have written that word, I'd like you to put your hands on your knees. And here it is. Sound. S, ow, n, d. Sound. Right, that's all the words I'd like you to write for today, year one. Well done. You have done a super, super job. Right, what I'd like you to do now is on the website, on our class page, there is information on how to get onto a website called Phonics Play. Now, we use Phonics Play all the time at school, don't we? Okay, so I want you to find the information and I want you to go onto Phonics Play and you can play the game Ob and Bob. You don't just have to play it once. If you want to play it more than once so you get lots of practice in, that's fine. But for today, I want you to practice the phonics sound ow. Okay, so it's a phase 5 sound. So you can click on phase 5, click on the ow sound and you can play Ob and Bob. Well done, year ones. I'm very, very proud of your phonics work today and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.